Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. It's great to see you here today.
Today we will talk about daily life in English. We'll use simple words and natural sentences, perfect for beginners.
You will learn how to talk about your morning, your work or school, and your evening. Just everyday English you can use right away.
And we will have fun. We'll have a real conversation, some jokes, and a short practice at the end.
So stay with us. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
Yes, your support helps our channel grow and lets us make more videos for you.
Ready? Let's start our day.
Paul, let's start with the morning. What do you do first?
First, I open my eyes
Very slowly.
very slowly.
You sound like a sleepy bear.
I'm not a morning person. But really, I wake up at 7 a.m., then I get out of bed and stretch.
Nice. I wake up earlier. I wake up at 6:30 a.m., but I stay in bed for 5 minutes. I like a slow start too.
Do you drink water in the morning?
Yes, I drink a glass of water.
Me too. It helps me feel awake.
After that, I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Same. And then I make breakfast. I usually eat toast and eggs. Simple and quick.
Oh, that sounds good. I usually eat fruit and yogurt. Sometimes I eat oatmeal.
Do you drink coffee?
No, I don't. I drink tea. But Paul, I know you love coffee.
Oh, yes. I drink 2 cups. If I don't, I feel like a zombie.
A friendly zombie, I hope.
Of course, a very friendly one.
After breakfast, I get dressed and prepare my bag. I usually leave home at 8 a.m.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus. It's easy and not too crowded. What about you?
I usually walk. My office is close to my home. It takes about 15 minutes.
That sounds nice. Walking in the morning feels good.
Yes, I enjoy the fresh air. While I walk, I listen to English podcasts.
That's a good idea for our viewers. You can listen to English podcasts or music when you go to school or work. It helps you practice every day.
Exactly. Even 10 minutes is helpful.
So, Paul, what do you do at work?
I teach English and make videos with you. But in the morning, I also check emails and plan lessons.
Right, I do that too. I sometimes meet students online. They ask many great questions.
One student asked me, "Paul, why is English so hard?" And I said, "It's not hard. It just needs time."
Yes, daily practice helps a lot.
What about lunch, Emily? When do you eat?
I usually eat lunch at 12:30 p.m. Sometimes I eat a salad, sometimes I eat soup.
I eat lunch earlier. I'm always hungry. I eat at 12 p.m. every day.
What's your favorite lunch?
Maybe a chicken sandwich. Simple but tasty.
What about your afternoon?
In the afternoon, I teach more classes. I also edit videos for our channel. Editing takes a long time, but it's fun.
Yes, it is. I like editing too. In the afternoon, I also take short breaks. I stand up, drink water, and stretch.
That's smart. Sitting all day is not good.
Right. And sometimes I call my family for a few minutes just to say hello.
Ah, that's sweet. Now, let's talk about the evening. What time do you finish work?
I finish work around 5:30 p.m. Then I walk home. I feel tired, but also happy.
I finish around 6 p.m. When I get home, I change clothes and relax for a bit.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, usually. I make simple meals, rice, vegetables, maybe chicken.
I cook too, but sometimes I order food. I love pizza.
You always love pizza.
Yes, pizza loves me too.
Okay. After dinner, what do you do?
I usually watch a show or read a book. Sometimes I practice guitar. I'm not very good, but I enjoy it.
You're not bad. I heard you play last week.
Thank you. That's nice of you.
In the evening, I often go for a walk. It helps me relax after a long day.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes. After the walk, I take a shower and prepare for the next day.
And then bedtime?
Yes. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. What about you?
I sleep later at 11:30 p.m., but I try to sleep earlier. Sleep is important.
Very important. Our brains need rest. Let's share some easy phrases viewers can use.
Good idea. Here are a few. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take the bus. I go to work. I eat dinner at 7 p.m. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Great phrases. Let's say one together and viewers can repeat.
Perfect. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m. Pause. Now repeat. I eat breakfast in the morning. Pause. One more. I go to bed at night.
Nice job, everyone.
Now let's practice. I will ask easy questions. You answer at home. Speak out loud if you can.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just try.
Okay, first question. What time do you wake up?
Good. Next question. What do you eat for breakfast?
Next one. How do you go to work or school?
Another one. What do you do in the evening?
Last question. What time do you go to bed?
Great job, everyone. You're doing amazing.
Let's give 2 small tips before we finish.
Tip 1. Use simple sentences every day. You don't need perfect English. Just use it often.
Tip 2. Make a daily English habit. Maybe 5 minutes in the morning or 10 minutes at night.
Small steps make a big difference.
Okay, friends, let's wrap up the video.
Today, we talked about daily routines, morning habits, going to work or school, afternoon tasks, and evening activities.
You learned simple sentences like, I wake up at 7. I take the bus. I eat dinner. And I go to bed.
You also practice speaking with us. Well done.
If you want more practice, write a comment below and tell us, what is your daily routine? Even one sentence is great.
And if you like this video, please subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We're proud of you.
See you in the next video.